Hello designers! Today we're walking through Planner 5D's AI Studio where you can generate ideas, design layouts, and create realistic renders and presentations all in one place. No more jumping between different AI apps. Before we jump in, if you want to try the AI Studio for free, Planner 5D offers a 7-day trial where you'll get access to all of their incredible tools. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's get started. Imagine you just moved into your new place. You have so many ideas, but aren't sure if your imagination will transfer to reality. If you're like me and a professional interior designer isn't in your budget, that's where the AI Studio comes in. You can upload an image of your space and then add a prompt. For example, here I wanted to see 5 separate styles for this room and gave the AI agent specific looks that I wanted to see. In less than a minute, I had 5 completely different options to choose from. The AI Studio does a great job of creating completely different styles, and this is such a great way to bring your ideas to life. This one was my favorite, but I wanted to see some additional options within this luxury style. It kept the layout the same, but changed the furniture and accents. This is also a great way to test out potential paint colors or compare different flooring styles. If you're wondering how the AI Studio makes this possible, it has multiple different AI tools that you'll recognize built in. So you're getting all of the generation capabilities of these tools built into one singular Planner 5D subscription. It's truly an amazing deal. Let's say you have your heart set on a piece of furniture and want to make sure it'll look good before you buy it. You can just upload an image of the item and then prompt the AI Studio to add it to your space using a picture of your room. You can apply the same idea to an image of a particular style you found somewhere like Pinterest. The AI Studio will apply that same style to your existing space. It's such a great way to know whether you'd like to move forward with a design choice or not. If you're a bit unsure if a piece of furniture will fit, you can always build out a perfectly scaled room in Planner 5D. Once you've got your layout finalized, you can create 4K renders, and that will ensure that everything is to scale. You can then move those renders into the AI Studio where you can enhance them further with natural lighting. There is no limit to what you can create in the AI Studio, so try out different prompts until you find the one that fits your desired look. The AI Studio can even turn your messy layout into an organized presentation in case you need to show ideas to clients or just want to have a clear view for your own needs. Now this is my favorite part. You can turn your images into a high-quality video simply by using your renders as a reference. If you built out your floor plan in Planner 5D, this is the best way to accurately visualize your space because everything will be to scale. I hope this was helpful. There is so much that you can do in the AI Studio, from instant idea visualization all the way to image and video generation. We can't wait to see what you create. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!